Hey friends, if you wish to manage stored usernames and passwords in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Windows credentials in the Windows search bar and open the Credential Manager app. Okay. Now we have two options here. One is the web credentials, which you can manage through the web as well, and the other one is Windows credentials. So select Windows credentials and then we can modify our Windows credentials here. Now I have very limited ones here. Okay, so I can add that if I want to. I can add it for a certain what do we say, server too, and I can add the username and password. And as for web-based credentials, okay, I'll tell you which Windows credential I have. I have this credential for my Microsoft account, and that is the only one on my system. So I can also reveal the password and I can remove this. If I remove this, then I will have to relog onto it. Okay. And then I have similar ones. And as for the web credentials, I have not saved anyone on them because I use the same Windows credentials to access the web. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.